of Engineering and Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science. Now, we're going to discuss on the topics of website basics in the subject called full stack development. So, what we're going to discuss is like website basics, like HTML5, CSS, and then Web 2.0 in this series. Next series, we're going to learn about none. So, one stack is learning what manually, and then for E stands for Express, and for R is for React, and then N is for Node.js. So, okay, let's start the session with website basics HTML5. We have multiple lines. So, and for example, text areas, which is nothing but when you discuss on addresses, right? So, it cannot be a single line. So, something like addresses, when you go for some textbooks names, or you can prefer for something, what are the knowledges we have, some commands, feedbacks, when you get thrown this, it could not be in a single. So for that kind of things, like text areas, which typically, as I have mentioned, typically usage of such input controls is for commands, addresses, descriptions. So these are like the particular single rectangular box could be in big size. So that we call it as a text area. So it has some rows and columns. Whenever you discuss something in a database, so it has some rows and columns. We already know what is rows and columns, right? So rows also specify the visible number of lines in the text area, and column also specify the visible width of the particular text area. Like text area name followed by the rows like 10, columns could be 30. So particular text area rectangular box would be adjustable based on the particular rows and columns. You can also mention the particular text without any rows and columns. So here is an example. So here they should mention like rows P5 and then column could be 16. So if you can click on that, it could have 5 rows and then followed by a 60 columns. So as we have discussed, input type, it is vary. For example, here input type is submit. So here it shows a submit button. That particular submit button, whenever I click on the submit button, the name could be PSW. So address it is followed. So option, I didn't mention any actions. Like I don't have field any data list actions. So you can mention any actions like whenever the submit button is particular text box or pop-ups can be displayed. So whenever we submit, this is statements like you have submitted the registration is like. So you need to give any action, or you can just directly whenever you log in your particular account, you can also read that. So that is the form actions. So whatever actions you're going to do after that particular submit button is clicked. So this is comes under forms action. So I didn't mention here anything, but I can mention anything that I have already discussed. So here is followed by actions. BR is nothing but a break. So you have already needed BR. So it's typically a break. So it gives automatically after the cursor moves to the next position. So text area we have discussed. Name equal to description. So in that enter details here. So this will be the value which will be on a text area, like enter here this display. So we can see the value. So after this the value can be the output, whatever the particular it is visible. So the text area enter details here is true. So followed by we have the question which is something like a brief. So and then we have virtually give some space. We are nothing but a break. So break statement after 3 breaks the submit button is there. So as a we can summarize our events like form defines an HTML form for our user input. Input is nothing but defines the input control. Exterior defines multiple input control. So label defines a label of an input level. So these are all we have discussed so far. So So thank you.